Hello students, welcome to the next session on royalty account, that is sublease. Here we go for simple problem. Here that Mr. Amar obtained a lease from Akbar to work a mine. The term being royalty of rupees 20 per ton, merging into a minimum rent of rupees 2 lakh per annum. Amaru Akbar hatra mine ಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, and then royalty of rupees 20 per ton, and then minimum rent of rupees 2 lakh per annum. They're being granted to the lease the right to recoupment short working during the first 4 years of the lease period ಅಂತ. Recoupment ಏನಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 4 years ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೈನ್ ಲೀಸ್ಗೆ. And then Amar sublet the part of the property to Anthony. Anthonyಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. The term being royalty of rupees 24 per ton, merging into a minimum rent of rupees 60,000 per annum. So 24 per ton ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 60,000 minimum rent ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಬ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. And Anthony has a right to recoupment in the subsequent 2 years of each year short workings. So ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಆದಂತ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 years ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು recoup ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ರೈಟ್ ನ ಹೊಂದಿರ್ತಾನೆ. Details of the output of first 5 years are given below. First 5 years ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18. ಸೊ ಅಮರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಂಟೋನಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಪೇಯಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಪೇಯಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಪೇಯಬಲ್ ಟು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಂಟು 20 rupees ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ 2,40,000, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ 3,40,000, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ 5,00,000, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಇಯರ್ 6,40,000 ಅಂಡ್ 2018 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6,60,000 rupees ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದು 2 lakh ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರಲು ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೋ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್, ನೋ ರಿಕೂಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಪೇಯಬಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಪೇಯಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And then royalty table showing a royalty receivable from sublease. Here that 2014 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 48,000 ಇದೆ, minimum rent 60,000. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 12,000 rupees short working ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Recoupment ಇಲ್ಲ, amount payable 60,000. 2015 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 96,000 ಇದೆ, minimum rent 60,000. There is an excess royalty of 36,000, but ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ only 12,000 ಮಾತ್ರ recoupment ಗೆ. So 12,000 recoup ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. 96 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 12,000 recoup ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ remaining 84,000 ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. And then 2016 1,68,000, no short working, 1,68,000 payable. 2017 2,97,600, 60,000, no short working, payable 2,97,600. And then 2018 3,12,000, short working, amount payable is 3,12,000. So first for that royalty payable account. So in the first year royalty payable to Akbar 2,40,000. Out of the 2,40,000 from royalty receivable 40,000 and profit and loss 2 lakh. And second year Akbar account royalty payable is 3,40,000. Out of 3,40,000 royalty receivable 80,000 and from profit and loss account 2,60,000. In 2016 royalty payable to Akbar is 5 lakh. Out of that 5 lakh royalty receivable account 1,40,000 and profit and loss account 3,60,000. And in 2017 royalty payable to Akbar is 6,40,000. Out of that from royalty receivable account 2,48,000 and from profit and loss account 3,92,000. In 2018 royalty payable to Akbar is 6,60,000. Out of that from royalty receivable account 2,60,000 and profit and loss account 4 lakh. So for that royalty receivable account, royalty received from Anthony by Anthony account 48,000. Out of 48 royalty transfer to royalty payable account 8,000 and remaining 8,000 is transferred to profit and loss account. In 2015 royalty receivable from Anthony is 96,000. Out of 96,000 80,000 is transferred to royalty payable account and remaining 16,000 transferred to profit and loss account. In 2016 royalty received from Anthony is 1,68,000. Out of that 1,68,000 1,40,000 is transferred to royalty payable account and remaining 28,000 transferred to profit and loss account. In 2017 royalty received from Anthony is 2,97,000. Out of the 2,97,000 royalty transferred to royalty payable account is 2,48,000 and remaining profit and 49,000. In the year 2018 royalty received from Anthony is 3,12,000. Out of 3,12,000 2,60,000 is transferred to royalty payable account and remaining 52,000 is transferred to profit and loss account. So like that we should prepare royalty payable account and royalty receivable account. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.